yakni benta jongga khubor la OneRaj phi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kaseng jong Nongdie Jingiarap Madan po Shalong Kamiklia Shalong Creator Hawkers Association angkat kajiran langru jong kaseng tur kilai minyak kendu yo ba preston tensang matirang ba sembut jong kejela haga kharfatarik ujulio arjar arpau kini kejingni ya kendu nak kaliang jong kini ki atli keseng kila kendu yo matirang ba sembut jong kejela man pentri kamno ya ka an jo ka Sorkar teng ka bapek ne kamta ka bit ka biang ba ka bha kamian jong Nongdie Jingiarap Madan hakan di kejing kendu nak kaliang kini ki atli kesengru kila kendu yo matirang ba sembut man pek lam ya kajing jo Nongdie Jingiarap Madan kamtam na do barat pentri kam ya kini kajing khangdam hakini ki lai banai hakaba kini ki atli keseng kila kentu yo matri ban ano da Jingiarap da kapisa khanang ban pelat yaki nakan kondu Jingiarap kan.
The Sorkar Association and from Tur we came to meet the Labour Minister because you must be aware there's a pending issue, of hawkers' rights and their livelihood for many years now. But now, particularly with this pandemic, they have been the worst hit. Many of them have really been struggling even to secure basic food grains, etc. And now, after the government has announced that they will open out the lockdown and are allowing people to resume their livelihoods, it's very important that the government also looks at informal labor, namely the hawkers, and how you will enable them to resume their livelihoods. Because from among them, they are very clear that the government will not be able to support them forever by handing out, doles. Even the 700 plus 1400 which the government has promised, we have done a survey in the last 2 weeks. More than 50% of them have not received that monetary support. More than 50% of them do not have ration cards. And because they are urban informal workers, they have not even been able to register with NREJ, which means they have no sources of resuming a livelihood except what they do. And it is possible to ensure social distancing, mask wearing, etc., and to allow them to resume their livelihoods. And we understand also that the government will not be able to regulate if they don't have the support of the association. It's only them who can regulate themselves. So we have come to again stress on the need to, number one, our long pending demand of notifying the Central Act, and number two, to immediately come up with guidelines of how they can resume their livelihoods, because they are very certain that for their own sake and for the government's sake, it's a matter of dignity for them also to earn their own livelihood, and the government should just create an enabling situation for them to resume.